पागल हूँ अरे मैं धीरे धीरे, मैं पागल ही हो गया बिल्कुल, मतलब बिकॉज आई वाज बाउंसिंग ऑन माय सीट आफ्टर दैट. पहले तो मैं सिर्फ खड़ा ही था, एंड वंस दैट सॉन्ग प्लेड एंड आई गॉट टू नो दैट अच्छा माय डैड इज संग फॉर सलमान खान, ओ माय
Oh
गॉड,
God.
खत्म. मुझे लोग बहुत पसंद करेंगे बिकॉज मैं आई एम अ वेरी लाइकेबल फेलो. लव इज नॉट समथिंग दैट हैपेंस ओवर सच अ शॉर्ट टाइम. तो मैं किसी के बारे में कुछ कंसेप्शन बनाकर ही नहीं जा रहा हूँ.
Big Boss 14 is finally here, and you're watching Jan Kumar Sanu in the episode. But before entering the house, he made sure to speak to sportboy.com exclusively, revealing all his plans. Okay, so firstly, tell me, Jan, how did this offer of getting into this controversial house landed up to you?
So I got this offer from Mr. Pankaj Bagrecha. I got in touch with him for a few, guiding tips and stuff. And he told me about this entire thing that's coming. And I've been a follower of Big Boss for a very, very long time, to be
Okay.
honest. Me and my mom, I've been watching Big Boss because of my mom. I got hooked onto the show because of my mom, because it would be like a dinner table show every night when we used to sit for dinner. My mom would put on the TV and Big Boss would happen. I followed the first few episodes just because I was sitting there, and I got hooked onto the entire the whole
Uh,
show, and it was just so fascinating. So I honestly have been a fan of Big Boss, but I never really expected to be a part of the show in
as a
such a manner
contestant.
that I'll be a contestant. Yeah. So when Pankaj Bhaiya told me that this we are planning to do Big Boss, and with the whole year, this COVID thing has changed the life,
Right, right.
of everybody. Uh, the last thing that was there on my mind actually was that Big Boss hoga bhi ki nahi, we didn't know,
Yeah,
because there was that work has stopped, life has stopped all over the world.
yeah.
So when he offered me this entire, he got this concept ahead, like he's like, I think you should go for this. I was very, very surprised, and I was pleasantly surprised, I must say, because I never really thought that I'd be a part of this show, which I've been following for so long,
Yeah,
and to be offered such a in such a time where everything was going really, really slow and very, very low, to
yeah.
be offered to be a part of Big Boss, I think that it's definitely the high point of my year.
Absolutely. As you said that you have been following this show, you also know that being inside the house is not easy. Surviving is a task inside. Are you prepared for everything, like doing tasks, household chores, making food?
So okay, I'm going to tell you a few things about myself. Firstly, I've been an avid fan of Big Boss. So I've seen the kind of work that is being done there, the tasks, the fights, the entire thing.
Right.
And about the cooking bit, yes, I'm looking forward to it actually, because I'm a very, very good cook in, I cook a lot at home.
Acha, okay.
So cooking is something that I'm actually looking forward to in the house. And yeah, I think I'm up for the tasks and everything. It's definitely a challenge for anybody who goes into
Yeah.
the house, because you're tested on a lot of things. Like your patience is tested, your metal is tested,
Yeah.
you as a person are tested a lot. You need to have a lot of patience, and you need to stand for what's right.
Yeah.
So that's the kind of prep that I've had, and I'm looking forward to it actually.
Okay, as you said, your patience has to be tested. What kind of person you are in real life? Do you get anger easily, or it is very difficult for you to make feel angry? Because that is something
Okay.
which the rival contestants use to go ahead, right?
Yeah. So in general, I'm very, very I don't get angry very easily.
Okay.
It takes a lot of efforts to get me angry, honestly. And I have a family that's very hot tempered. Like I
Acha.
have a family, like we come from a background wherein we are known to be a bit hot tempered, but um, I don't get angry very easily, and it's very difficult to annoy me or irritate me. But I have this three strike policy wherein there is a strike one, strike two, strike three,
Right.
and it's very difficult to get to like it till strike three. But if you do manage to somehow get to strike three,
Yeah.
then you're going to be having problems, because I have a humongous temper,
Yeah.
and I tend to keep it under check because I don't like losing my cool generally. I'm a very happy-go-lucky person in general. But
Okay.
if you do manage to get on the wrong side of me, then I would just say that you should watch out, because जितना शांत मैं दिखता उतना मैं हूँ नहीं.
वो देखकर लग रहा है आपको.
हाँ.
I think you will give a tough time to the people who will mess with you.
Yeah. If I'm wrong, then definitely I will bow down and I'll accept my mistake where I'm wrong, because one thing that I've been taught I believe in this very corely, and it's been taught to me by my mom. अगर आप सही हो तो अपनी जगह पे खड़े रहो.
Absolutely.
कोई कितना भी कुछ बोले आपको कि you are wrong or whatever it is, if you feel that you are correct, then there is no point in adjusting or shifting from your point just to accommodate someone else.
Right. Right.
So if I'm right, then I will fight for it. Definitely I will fight for it. And if someone does get on my wrong side, then फिर तो पंगे ही होने बस.
वैसे ये बताइए, who was the first one जिसको आपने सबसे पहले बताया कि बिग बॉस का ऑफर आया है और मैं कर रहा हूँ, और क्या रिएक्शन था उस शख्स का?
So the first person that I told, informed actually, I was my mom.
Okay.
My mom was in Calcutta, and ये full lockdown का चक्कर चल रहा था. So this year in general has not been good, because I lost one of the most precious things in the world. I
And that
lost my
was?
my
Okay.
granny, my nanny.
Okay.
I lost her, and
So sorry.
I've that is one thing that that's a different that's a whole different topic. But yeah, I lost my nanny, and my mom was in Calcutta for the same thing. And so when I got the call, and we were debating about it, me and my mom, we were talking about it, then my elder brother got involved in the discussion. And so we are three brothers.
अच्छा.
Me and my elder brother, we were here in Mumbai, and my mom and my second brother, they were in
Both
Calcutta.
Calcutta. Okay.
So we discussed it over the phone, and we had a long debate as to what is to be done, because Big Boss is not your regular show. It's
Yeah.
not one of your regular TV shows जो हर रोज air होता है, right? It is a once in a lifetime opportunity, but at the same time there is a lot of thinking that goes into participating in the show.
Absolutely.
And we had a detailed discussion regarding the whole thing, the pros and the cons of the entire project that I was about to step into. And mom was very excited, because we have been watching Big Boss for a long time.
Yeah.
And my brothers, they were also excited. We had our debates about what could happen, what could not happen.
Yeah.
And finally we decided, yeah, let's give it a go. So the first person I told was actually my mom, and then both my brothers,
Okay.
and they were very, very excited about it.
Okay. Whenever a contestant participate in this reality show, they try to get into their controversial side, or bring out their personal life on national TV. So are you like a little prepared for it? If something like comes around you, are you okay with it?
See, the name that I carry, that itself is a very big it's a very big topic of debate for people,
Right.
because being the son of a legend is
Yeah.
it's a very talked about topic in itself already.
Yeah.
So when I'm in the house, I would not want to attract wrong controversies and wrong publicity, because I need to know and I need to remember that I have a very rich, deeply rooted heritage that I'm carrying on my shoulders.
Right.
So my agenda for going into Big Boss is basically to show the people what Jan Kumar Sanu is.
Okay.
Nothing more, nothing less. Because the controversies that come with it are again, something that I cannot predict. वो
Absolutely.
जब आएगा तब देख लेंगे. But
हाँ.
I'm prepared for a lot of controversial statements because I know
कि आ
कि
जाएंगे.
ऐसा होगा. Definitely ऐसा होगा. But then again, handling that again is something that comes with the show. So
Okay.
I have to be prepared for it.
Did you?
Given the fact that my father is he's such a public figure.
Yeah.
Uh, he is a national topic of debate, and that people have their opinions about my dad because, of course, there are so many millions and millions and billions of fans, that he has.
Exactly. Exactly.
People have their opinions, and it's up to me whether I can clarify it or no, like how I clarify it. So yeah, I'm ready for it, and I'm
Yeah.
looking forward to it. Like जहाँ पर भी मुझे चीजें clarify करनी पड़े, तो definitely I will do it.
What are you planning? To use. Are you planning to use this platform to clarify certain things which you feel that people should know about it before judging you or your family or your father?
Actually, I'm not here to clarify things for people. As I told you, my sole purpose of coming into Big Boss is to introduce the entire world, because Big Boss is such a huge platform.
Right.
I want to use it to introduce the world to Jan Kumar Sanu, the kind of person that I am, the kind of upbringing that I've had, and whatever qualities I've gathered over the years.
Yeah.
Basically, I want to put myself out there.
Yeah.
I don't want to bring topics from out there into my family, because what happens in our family, we are pretty cool about it. Actually, we are happy. Everyone's happy in the family. We get along together. We have our times. So I don't want to clarify to people because people have their opinions, of course.
Yeah.
What I can try to do is change it by showing them that मैं ऐसा हूँ. So अगर उससे उनको उन्हें मतलब मेरी ये साइड अच्छी लगी, तो that will be a big win for me, because
Exactly.
to get into the hearts of people, it's not an easy task.
Right.
And I'm getting such a big platform to do that. Then I would give it my best. The rest is up to the people, actually.
You are participating in a show, where there will be a lot of celebrities staying with you, and
Yeah.
few of them have a million of fan following already. Do you feel that that will somewhere is that thing demotivating you anywhere, that they are someone who have already fans love with them?
Actually, that's not I wouldn't say it's demotivating. I would say it's challenging,
Okay.
because they have all worked so hard to get the fan following and the love that they have received. Matlab, there
Yeah.
are so many people who worked so hard to get what they deserve, like itne sare million people ka pyar and blessings lena. So mujhe usse I wouldn't be demotivated, because at the same time I know that once I'm in the show, people are going to love me.
Okay.
So मुझे भी
I
एक
really
बहुत
like the
अच्छा
confidence.
Thank you. So that's the mentality that I'm going with. कि
Exactly.
मुझे लोग बहुत पसंद करेंगे, because I'm a very likable fellow. I'm a
Yeah.
very happy-go-lucky, chilled out person, and the fact that they have that kind of a fan following doesn't demotivate me. Actually, it sort of motivates me more, because मुझे पता है मुझे कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी वहां तक पहुंचने.
की वैसे कंटेस्टेंट्स एक दूसरे को बता ही नहीं चाहते, बट क्योंकि आपको अंदर जाना है, उनके साथ रहना है, तो कितनी क्यूरियोसिटी होती है. हाउ मच आर यू रीडिंग अबाउट हु ऑल आर एंटरिंग? हाउ मच आर यू ट्राइंग टू लर्न अबाउट देम?
Honestly, rumors, how the announcements happen, right? एक दिन हमको पता चलता है कि ये आ रहे हैं, फिर दूसरे दिन पता चलता है नहीं वो नहीं आ रहे हैं. So it's all up in the air, it's like smoke. You don't know exactly what's the truth. But from what I've read and what I've seen and followed, I mean, there are some huge names that are coming in.
Exactly.
And I don't think studying a person is possible, because it's like a person is forever changing, you know. एक इंसान का फिक्स तो एक डेकोरम रूटीन नहीं रहता ना, कि मैं अपनी जिंदगी में यही सब जीऊंगा, ऐसे ही करूंगा कुछ, मतलब कभी भी उसका मन करे तो वो बदल सकता है. सो आप अगर स्टडी भी करोगे तो आप क्या स्टडी करोगे? अगर वो इंसान घर के अंदर जाने के बाद कंप्लीटली बदल गया तो फिर मेरी स्टडी तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगी, राइट? आई बी कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग अबाउट व्हाटएवर आई हैड इन माय माइंड, यू नो, अबाउट दैट कंसेप्शन दैट आई हैव. तो मैं किसी के बारे में कुछ कंसेप्शन बनाकर ही नहीं जा रहा हूँ. आई एम गोइंग विद अ कंप्लीटली ब्लैंक स्लेट सो दैट आई कैन get to know about them as and when I interact with them.
Yeah.
So मैं literally एक I'm going like a blank board with no conception, no preparation and no studies. I've worked more on myself than I'm working on, you know, studying people. Yeah. Because the mental peace and the sanity that you require to be in the Big Boss house is tremendous.
Exactly.
I think हमको सबको taste मिल गया उसका एक थोड़ा सा, because of the lockdown. ये जो घर में बंद रहने का जो एक यू नो फील है, एंड फिर भी हमारे पास फोन है, इंटरनेट है, यू नो, माइंड डाइवर्ट करने के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. बट आप अगर उधर जाओगे तो आप कैसे रहोगे? दैट आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट. सो मैं अपने ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा काम कर रहा हूँ रादर देन, यू नो, स्टडी अदर्स.
ओके, होस्ट सलमान जो है, सलमान खान को वो काफी क्लोज टैब रखते हैं ईच एंड एवरी कंटेस्टेंट पे, और उनको इम्प्रेस करना भी इतना इजी नहीं होता है. सो आर यू लाइक लिटिल अफ्रेड अबाउट हिम कि मैं कुछ ऐसी गलती ना करूं कि यू नो वो मुझे डिसलाइक करे या मुझ पर चिल्लाए?
Salman sir ka, I'll tell you something from what I've seen in the show in the past seasons. Salman sir बिना कोई कारण किसी पर नहीं भड़कते. उनके पास एक बहुत वेल फाउंडेड रीजन, ही डज हिज रिसर्च, यू नो, राइट. वो अपना फुल रिसर्च करके कंटेस्टेंट का बिहेवियर देखकर उसको समझकर फिर वो अपना, यू नो, ओपिनियन देते हैं पब्लिक में. ही डजंट डिसाइड कि ये मुझे पसंद नहीं है, ऐसे ही नहीं. वो अपना काम, मतलब, यू नो, ही डिसाइड्स, ही सीज द कंटेस्टेंट कैसा है, बिहेवियर क्या है, गलत सही, वो सब करके फिर, यू नो, he will tell the contestant कि, you know, he ऐसा आपने गलत किया है, no, whatever that's like, you know, that's how he goes about it. So more than scared or afraid, I would tell you this, that I am very starstruck when it comes to Salman.
Okay.
I am very very starstruck when it comes to Salman sir. I'll tell you why. एक छोटा incident I'll tell you. So I was very very small when the movie Hello Brother came out.
Okay.
हेलो ब्रदर जब आई तो, और वो फर्स्ट फिल्म है जो मैंने थिएटर में देखा है.
अच्छा.
दैट्स माय लाइफ्स फर्स्ट फिल्म जो मैंने थिएटर में जाके, यू नो, देखा, एंड इट वाज अगेन बिकॉज़ इट वाज सलमान सर. एंड द सीन वेयर सलमान सर इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड, वो सीन मुझे, मैं वो सीन देखे, आई वाज अ किड, और मैं वो सीन देखकर इतना एक्साइटेड हो गया था कि आई सॉ द एंटायर मूवी खड़े होके. फिर मुझसे बैठा नहीं गया. यस, फिर मुझसे बैठा नहीं गया. और मतलब वो सलमान सर को जो स्क्रीन पे देखा मैंने, एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ, लाइक, यू नो, दैट्स सलमान खान. एंड फिर जो मैं अपने सीट पर खड़ा हुआ, मैं फुल मूवी बैठा ही नहीं हूँ. मतलब इतना एक्साइटेड था मैं, बिकॉज इट्स सलमान खान, लाइक, यू नो, लाइक आई वाज अ किड, but Salman Khan has been there for, like, you know, so long in the industry. He's such a, you know, he's such a huge star.
Yeah.
And later on in the film, when I got to know that my dad has sung,
okay,
I was just like blown away.
Did you get a chance to meet him? Did you get a chance to meet him?
I didn't get a chance to meet Salman sir because obviously, मतलब, you know, बहुत कुछ होता है, schedules होते हैं and everything. But when that song came, सर की जो सर से वो धीरे धीरे पागल हूँ अरे मैं धीरे धीरे, मैं पागल ही हो गया बिल्कुल. मतलब because I was bouncing on my seat after that. पहले तो मैं सिर्फ खड़ा ही था, and once that song played and I got to know that अच्छा my dad is sung for Salman Khan, oh my God, खत्म. फिर I was just bouncing on my seat and पीछे के लोग, आगे के लोग सब बोल रहे, अरे आप बैठो शांति से फिल्म देखने दो. I was like, मैं किसी का सुन रहा ही नहीं था कुछ. because I was over the moon कि एक तो सलमान खान and then my dad. I'm like, oh, that's the level of um, that's the level to which I'm starstruck with Salman sir.
Right, right.
Like I am just a mad fan of Salman sir, so I'm more starstruck than afraid of him.
So what are you gonna do when he will introduce you to the audience on the stage? I mean, can you just think of that moment?
I've dreamt of that moment a lot of times, and I actually don't know what I'm going to do
Okay.
because this will be the first time that I'm going to be face to face with Salman sir. मतलब मैंने देखा तो है उनको, मगर ऐसे फेस टू फेस उनके मुंह से मेरा नाम सुनना is going to be one of the landmark moments of my life. I must tell you this.
Okay.
Because again, it is Salman Khan. I mean, come on. And to hear my name from his he's saying my name is going to be a big thing for me. I will if at all ऐसा मतलब allow हुआ तो मैं तो उनको बहुत मतलब उनको मैं hug करने वाला हूँ. Because it will be a very, very big dream come true for me, honestly.
I will be also excitedly waiting to see how do you react when you meet him. Okay. Also tell me, whenever I don't know if are you single?
Yeah.
Yeah. So whenever a single entry has been made to the house, obviously there are connections being made, and हो ही जाता है. So are you prepared for it? अगर कोई लड़की पसंद आती है, तो do you mind getting this relationship ahead?
Okay, this is a very interesting question you asked me. And to this, I'll give you a very nice answer because my mom plays a very important role in this.
Okay.
I might be आज की generation का, I might be a youth icon of like for the generation today. But one thing that I've seen and learned from my own mother is that love is not something that happens over such a short time.
अच्छा.
And when it does happen ना, it is forever. मतलब वो हो गया तो हो गया. वरना I'm actually not looking. I'm not going to Big Boss to find a girl or to date as such.
Yeah.
Friends जरूर बनेंगे. मगर वो जो relationship वाली बात है, I don't think 3 months is a good enough time to know someone and then
So
commit
closely.
हो जाना. या मतलब मैं वो दिमाग में लेकर ही नहीं जा रहा एक्चुअली. हाँ, फ्रेंड्स बन सकते हैं बिल्कुल, मतलब फ्रेंड्स की जरूरत भी पड़ेगी उधर बिकॉज द हाउस एनवायरनमेंट इज सच दैट आपको अगर आपने दोस्त नहीं बनाए तो फिर यू लूज द गेम.
बहुत मुश्किल है.
एग्जैक्टली. या बट द रिलेशनशिप थिंग वो उस चीज में आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू से दिस दैट आई एम वेरी वेरी ओल्ड स्कूल.
Okay.
Yeah, because I've seen that, I've learned it from my mom.
Yeah.
And something that I really cherish, that आज के टाइम में होने के बावजूद ये मॉरल्स और ये वैल्यूज रखने से मतलब आई फील दैट हाँ प्यार ऐसी इतनी लाइट चीज है नहीं जो 3 महीने में आप किसी को मिलो एंड वो भी एक ऐसे टेलीवाइज शो में इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे जहाँ एवरीबॉडी इज कम टू प्ले अ गेम. सो आई डोंट थिंक दैट रिलेशनशिप एंड ऑल, friendship of course definitely, but yeah, relationship and all ka I'm really doubtful.
You are a singer and you have a beautiful voice, so do you think this voice will help you to make friends inside, because इस चीज की जरूरत उन सबको सबसे ज्यादा पड़ने वाली है.
yes हम सब म्यूजिक पे डिपेंड करते जब कुछ और हेल्प नहीं करता. so I'm guessing, I'm hoping that my इतने सालों का मतलब जो मैंने रियाज किया है and my goal, I wish that it helps me in the house to make friends and gather fans, gather blessings. So I'm really hoping that I can do something like that, maybe entertain people and शायद उससे मेरे दोस्त बन जाए अच्छे.
Okay, before we conclude this interview, I would really like to ask, what all are you planning to pack in your bags? Other than clothes, of course.
वैसे तो यार restrictions काफी है. बहुत restrictions है. मतलब you can't carry a lot of things in the house.
Right.
But I'm going to carry a couple of photos of my
your family.
And, Yeah, and apart from that, I'm going to be carrying a good, like, a few good pairs of shoes because I love shoes,
Okay.
and perfumes as well. Because again, there are three things that I love. I love shoes, I love perfumes, and I love this, matlab, fancy pants,
Okay.
pants, and any kind of fancy pants or something that's different. So I'm going to be carrying all three of these into the house, lot of them, एंड लेट्स सी क्या होता है बिकॉज मैं शूज भी मैं ज्यादा नहीं लेके जाऊंगा बिकॉज बिग बॉस के काफी सारे टास्क मैंने देखे हैं
जिसमें शूज खराब कर
जहाँ
देते
पर
हैं,
जहाँ पर कंटेस्टेंट्स को अपने फेवरेट शूज
त्यागने पड़ते हैं.
त्यागने पड़ते हैं एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई एम रेडी फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ sacrifice yet because I'm very madly possessive about my shoes and I have a huge collection. So
Okay.
that's something that I'm not ready for. So मैं वो भी decide करूँगा क्या लेके जाना है क्या नहीं.
Okay, as
Let's
you
see.
said कि आपको funky, something different pants पहनना पसंद है. You think so कि that will become like a style statement for the one who will be watching the show?
I hope it does. फिर तो बहुत ही अच्छा हो जाएगा मतलब because if I can like being a singer if I can set a style statement I think that will be a very big bonus for me.
Yeah.
So I hope it does. I mean, it'll be great if it does happen.
Okay, John, thank you so much for taking out time and talking to us. It was pleasure meeting you, and I just hope that you have the best journey inside the house.
Thank you so much for having me here. And to everyone who's going to be watching this, please do vote for me. And please give me your blessings and love. And I'll see you guys in Big Boss. Or rather, you will see me in Big Boss very soon.
Of course. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. All the
Bye.
very
Take
best.
care.